Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. And today I'm here to talk to you about a brand new product that just came out into the market this month. It's for 3D logos on hats. Now in the past, in order to get a 3D logo on a hat, you used to have to use puff embroidery or you'd have to use some sort of a PVC patch. But today I'm here to talk to you about Liquid 3D. I'm going to show you one of the examples. Here's a logo for a golf client. And the reason why it's called Liquid 3D is because this actually starts out as liquid. This is a 3D printed product that gets melted directly onto the hat. So take a look at this. This is for a golf logo. You can see the 3D nature of the print, and you can also see some of the texture in there as well. It's got some golf ball texture to it. Now this is available in multiple different colors and sizes. It's completely custom for your cap. You can choose whatever cap you'd like. Here's another example using a basketball logo. You can see the details there in the net as well as the basketball itself. And then lastly, a team name. Now this isn't just for sports. You can use this, of course, for corporate logos as well as event logos. But if you are really looking to be on the edge of innovation and creativity, this Liquid 3D product is what you're looking for. It really stands out. It gets the looks, it gets the views, it gets the comments. So if you're trying to differentiate yourself from your competitors, give us a call and let's talk about how we can use your logo and this technology to create that wow that you're looking for.